Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking purpose and audience so every element serves a goal. Next, create a new document at the final size. 24 by 36 inches is common, and set 300 dpi. This prevents pixelation when printed. Once done, import logos and the strongest 3-5 visuals, placing them off to one side temporarily. Make sure to gather headline copy of 200 to 400 words and any required brand colors or fonts. Having these assets ready saves revisions and keeps layout decisions fast and consistent. You now build the visual hierarchy using a simple grid, 3 columns or modular units with 0. 25-inch gutters, so alignment stays consistent. Place the title in the top left or center, then assign type scales. Title large, subhead medium, body small but legible. This guides the eye. Once placed, introduce contrast with color accents and generous negative space to separate sections. Make sure to limit fonts to 2 or 3 and balance images with text blocks. This combination preserves clarity and You finish by exporting a print-ready PDF/X1A at 300 dpi including bleed and crop marks. This preserves layout for the press. Before sending, convert to CMYK, embed fonts, and confirm images are high resolution. Once exported, request a printer proof to catch unexpected shifts. If colors look different, ask for proof, apply the printer's color profile, and lower saturation slightly. This avoids surprises. Finally, double-check spelling and alignment, then approve printing when the proof matches your intent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.